With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A simple pendulum is used to determine the value of gravitational acceleration g at certain place. The length of the pendulum is given here 25 cm and a stopwatch with 1 second resolution measures the time taken for 40 oscillation to be 50 seconds, right? Then accuracy in g you have to find out. So if you see the formula for the time period, it is 2 pi under root L by G. Take log both sides, then I will get ln T equals to ln 2 pi plus half ln L minus half ln G. Right. If I will differentiate both sides, then I will get the fractional change in T time period is related with the fractional change in length and G as this minus. And if you see in the question, we have to find out the accuracy percentage in G, right? So if you see here, so if I multiply the expression by 2, then I will get 2 dt by t is equals to fractional change in length minus fractional change in G. We have to find out the accuracy in G, right? So I will write this, and since we have to take the positive sign since we want the accuracy, so we'll take 2 delta t by t plus 2 l delta l by l, right? Now we just put the value here. I will write 2 into, if you see in the question, it is given that 1 second resolution taken for 40 oscillation to be 50 second, right? So I will write 1 by 50 plus 25 centimeter is given. So I will write 0.1 list count by 25. It will be equals to delta G by G. So if you further solve it, you will get delta G by G is equals to 1.1 by 25. That is equals to, if you see in the percentage, if you calculate, so multiply it with 100, that is equals to 4.4%. And this will be our answer. Now you can match your option here. So the B is the correct option. Simple. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.